Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry online classes. We were dealing with fossil fuels in the last classes. All we know that petrol, diesel, kerosene, all these are obtained from petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oil liquid. It has unpleasant odor. It's a mixture of various components like petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, etc. We need to separate these components. So, the process of separating the various constituents in petroleum is called refining of petroleum. Refining of petroleum means the process of separating various constituents in the petroleum, converting petroleum into many useful products. It is carried out in petroleum refineries. Next, we can list out the various constituents in petroleum and their uses. One of the constituent is petroleum gas in liquid form. That means LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. It's used fuel for home and industry. Second one, petrol. Used as motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Third one, kerosene. Is used as fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Fourth one, diesel. It's a fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Next, lubricating oil for lubrication purpose. Sixth one, paraffin wax. It is used for making ointments, candles, vaseline, etc. Seventh one, bitumen, used in paints and used for road surfacing. So, petroleum is a mixture of 7 components. Now, I am going to discuss about another fossil fuel called natural gas. Like petroleum, natural gas also obtained from dead remains of living organism. It is very latest and very useful fossil fuel. So next we can look into the uses of natural gas. First one, it can be used as fuel for transport vehicles because it is the least polluting and most cleaner fuel. Children, please note down, least polluting fuel is natural gas. The most cleaner fuel is natural gas. Next use, it is used for power generation. Next use, it can be directly used in houses and factory for burning. And it can easily transported through pipelines. Another important use, it is the starting material for many product synthesis. Many useful products are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are collectively termed as petrochemicals. And petroleum is also known as black gold due to its commercial importance. So, petroleum is referred as black gold. Now you learned that coal, petroleum, natural gas, these are exhaustible fossil fuels. They took millions of years to form from dead remains of living organisms. So, it is necessary that we need to use these fuels judiciously. That means the reserves of this fuel will last only for few hundred years. So we need to conserve this fuel. Moreover, the burning of this fuel causes air pollution and global warming. It is therefore necessary that we use this fuel only when absolutely necessary. This will result better environment. Now this chapter is over. We have discussed in this chapter two types of natural resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources, and then discuss in detail with exhaustible natural resources: coal, petroleum, natural gas, its formation, its characteristics and uses, and the need for its conservation. Hope all you have understood this chapter. Let's wind up today's class. I have attached notes as well as test paper. Also attach the exercise question answers. Or you have to attend the test paper. I have provided a URL. Please watch it. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.